Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. You might have noticed that you're getting stickers from your friends on WhatsApp and some of them are pretty generic such as Diwali wishes and all. But today in this video, we will show you how you can add your own personal stickers to WhatsApp. So let's start. WhatsApp rolled out a sticker feature recently where you can add third-party stickers to the app. You can send these stickers to anyone in your list on WhatsApp. Basically, these stickers are in .png format where there is no background. And in this video, we will show you how you can add your own images or even your photos as a sticker. So you need three things: any background eraser app, and we will be using this app here, personal stickers for WhatsApp, and of course an active WhatsApp account. Now the first part is where you can add any PNG file as a sticker on WhatsApp. For that, simply open Google search and search for PNG images and download the one which you like. In order to add the stickers on WhatsApp, you need to have at least 3 images files in the folder. The folder could be download or any other folder according to your choice. Once you add the images, just open the app personal stickers for WhatsApp and then it will automatically show you the .png format files here. You will see that the PNG files are categorized according to the folder. And to add the folder, just simply tap on the add button and it will show you the message that it has added the stickers to the WhatsApp. Now you can send these stickers to your friends on WhatsApp easily. To send a sticker, just tap on the emoji icon here and now next to the GIF button, you will see the stickers button here. Select the sticker and that's it. Now in order to add your own sticker to WhatsApp, first click your photo and try to keep the background less cluttered. I will explain why in a moment. Now once you have the picture, just open the app background remover and select the picture which you have just clicked. And after that, use the tool Auto and start removing the background of the photo. And here you can see that it is easy to remove the background when the background is not that cluttered. Once you're happy with the image, just save it. This app automatically saves the file into a PNG format. Now like the first method, you just need to open the app personal stickers for WhatsApp and it will show you your images there. Once you have 3 images in the folder, just tap on the add button. So here it is. Now you can send your own personal stickers on WhatsApp. Simple, isn't it? And the best part is that your friends can also save these stickers and forward it as well. You can also use any other third-party app to give special effects to your photos and then remove the background and use it as a sticker. So that's it guys, this was a simple way to add your own personal stickers to WhatsApp. Let us know if you like the stickers on WhatsApp and also don't forget to share your stickers with us on Twitter and Instagram. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off and I'll see you in the next one.